Welcome to our Microsoft Excel course. Why learn spreadsheets? Whether you are a student organizing study schedules, a professional managing budgets, or someone who wants to feel a little less lost when opening a spreadsheet, this course is for you. Spreadsheets are powerful tools used in nearly every industry. However, if you have ever stared at a grid full of cells and formulas and thought, "What on earth am I looking at?" Do not worry, you are not alone. This course is designed to gently guide you from total beginner to confident user, step by step. We'll break down complex terms into simple language, use tons of real-life examples, and show you how to work smarter, not harder, in Microsoft Excel. Why Microsoft Excel? Each tool has its strengths. Microsoft Excel is a feature-rich and powerful tool, ideal for complex tasks, analysis, and offline work. You will be prepared for whatever your school, job, or personal life throws your way. Key considerations. Cost. Excel requires a purchase or subscription, while Google Sheets is free with a Google account. Functionality. Excel is often preferred for heavy data analysis, while Sheets is great for collaboration and ease of use. Excel or Google Sheets. You use Excel or Google Sheets in jobs like data analyst, finance, administrative assistant, marketing, project management, and sales. People use them to organize and clean up data, make charts and reports, use formulas to understand numbers, track things like budgets, projects, or schedules. Simple example. You can make a sales report that shows profits for each month using formulas and charts. In this course, our focus will be on Microsoft Excel. Why this course? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user looking for a refresher, this course will help you work smarter by mastering the tools, features, and shortcuts that can boost your productivity. While AI tools like ChatGPT are excellent for quick answers and guidance, structured learning remains essential. Books and courses provide the foundation, context, and deeper understanding needed to build lasting skills. Together, books, courses, and AI create a powerful combination for learning faster and more effectively. Looking to get even more out of this course? The perfect companion is our book, Introduction to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Designed for beginners, it provides step-by-step guidance, practical examples, and hands-on exercises to help you build confidence and master essential spreadsheet skills. Whether you're learning for work, school, or personal projects, this book is an excellent resource to reinforce what you learn in this course and continue your spreadsheet journey.
Feel overwhelmed by data? Let's get organized. Welcome to my complete spreadsheet masterclass. Subscribe for more tips and visit my website to learn more.